Hello friends, today I show you how to do hack of Subway Surfers. So please subscribe my channel and please like my channel and please share and please do bell icon. So you have to first open the UC browser, then first you type here. So then you have to type here Subway Surfers hack APK. I'm saying that I have already do the installation and the downloading of this. You can see the website android1.com. Click on this. What you have to do, click here. Okay, download Subway Surfers mode unlimited coin keys. Okay, then sorry guys, click here. These numbers are here. Okay, you see now that android1.com I use this website. So click on this. This is download. Then see here your downloads. Guys, I have downloaded and I am showing my application C android1.com APK. Okay, I have already downloaded C Subway Surfers. See how much I have the coins and keys. See here, you can see here this much. Okay, so guys, you will like my channel, please subscribe my channel and see my videos. Okay, प्लीज डू द बेल आइकन एंड मैं आपसे वापस मिलूंगा दोस्तों. ठीक है, मिलते हैं अपने अगली वीडियो में. बाय बाय दोस्तों.